How to insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to format your headings first, then generate a table that links directly to them. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From there, highlight the text you want to appear as an entry in your table, like a chapter or section title. After that, click the Home tab. At this point, select the appropriate heading level, like Heading 1 for main chapters or Heading 2 for subchapters. Following this, repeat this for every heading throughout your document, since Word builds the table based on these styles. Once your headings are formatted, you're ready to actually insert a table. From here, place your cursor wherever you want the table of contents to appear. At this stage, click the References tab. Following this, click Table of Contents. From here, select one of the automatic styles from the drop-down to insert it right away. If you'd rather have more control over how it looks, there's a custom option too. At this stage, click Custom Table of Contents from that same drop-down instead. Following this, choose how many heading levels to show. From here, adjust the tab leaders, like dots or dashes, or choose whether to hide page numbers or keep hyperlinks active. At this stage, click OK once you're happy with the settings. Now, if you make changes to your document later, like adding new headings or moving sections around, your table won't update on its own. Following this, right-click directly on the table. From here, click Update field. If any entries are missing after that, double-check that those specific headings are properly formatted using Word's heading styles, then update the table again. That's how you insert a table of contents in Microsoft Word. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!